Okay. Wash my belly, wash my belly. Bleh. Bleh. Wash my belly, wash my You're cringe. You. Yeah. That's the whole of my channel, bro. And I even changed my profile. Time to shine, who's time to shine? Bro, what the fuck? No. You, I gonna report you. Don't recommend. Not smooth. You. Bro. Oh my god, you're a dog. My profile. You fine. What the fuck? Yeah. Give him. Not smooth. Baby emoji cat. Shut up, I don't want to draw them. And ugly. That's ugly. Ugly as a cow. I'm scared to. Could the sun explode? Bye, see you next time. Joyzy abuse. Okay, I gonna abuse. The fuck is this? What the fuck? I don't like fucking gacha. Chicken gun. You.
Are you serious? Come on.
Serious? Bro, I could. Bro, I'm 8 foot tall. Don't worry, he's my friend. Good cat, not the emoji cat. This cat. The no, don't kill the cat. That's my literally my cat. Don't. Okay. you're spoiled brat. Mm. Blah, 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 blah.
Remember one day, maybe was a friend.
We got into another one of those. Blah 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 blah. Oh look, shit! I don't need to look at this, bro. Wonder what did you eat? Bro, it's round and round, unwatched. This one, I already watched that. See, look at. Can the sun explode, man? Imagine if you place the head at the top, that will be so funny. Also,
Are you serious? I'm on our red team.
That will be a wholesome ending. Don't care about your paper.
Those who come on.
Enough. That's enough. I already got my eyes boiled. That's enough. That's enough, guys. That is enough.